So here we go. We're going to solve a two-step equation. So we're going to talk about our two different parts. We have an addition. Remember, this is a plus 7, and we have a divided by 5. Okay, so we're going to draw our line down the middle. Always draw it down the equal sign because remember, you're thinking about the balance sign. So what are we going to get rid of first? What's our bow? So our bow is our 7. So the inverse of plus 7, we're going to subtract 7 on both sides. And then on this side, the 7s are going to cross out, and we're going to have t over 5 equals negative 4 minus 7 is negative 13. What's the inverse now of this division is multiplication. So we're going to multiply by 5 on both sides. Therefore, t is going to equal negative 65. So then we can plug it back in. Negative 65 divided by negative 5 is negative 13, plus 7 gives us negative 4. Again, you can always plug it back in and make sure you got it right, and then you get your happy teacher. So for this one, we're going to draw a line down the middle. What are we trying to get rid of first? Our bow is our adding and subtracting, so that is this plus 46. So we're going to subtract 46 on both sides. Notice we get negative 3t. That negative is still linked with that 3. Don't lose it. Equals negative 69. And then we're going to divide both sides by negative 3 because now it's just a one-step equation. And then we end up with t equals positive 23 because it was the negative times the negative, which gives, or divided by the negative, which gives us the positive. Plug it back in. Negative 3 times 23 gives us negative 69, plus 46 gives us negative 23. Make sure you're filling these in on your notes. For this one, we're going to draw a line down the middle. Again, it's switched around. It's on the opposite side of our variable. Shouldn't matter. If you want to rewrite it and do 6 plus a over 4 equals 8,